This chapter 7 is coordinate geometry. So today we'll start the concepts of exercise 7.1, where we'll study the x-axis, y-axis and distance between any two given points. Now this is the graph which is divided into 4 quadrants, and the horizontal line is called x-axis, the positive side is called x and the negative side is called x dash, and the vertical line is called the y-axis, where the positive signs are to the up of the line and the negative signs come below the line, and the negative side is called y dash and the positive sign is called the y, and the intersection of the x-axis and y-axis, this is called origin, represented by O, which is always 0, 0. Origin, the point or the origin is denoted by 0, 0. Now when we say the distance, the point which is at a distance of 4 from y-axis, means this is this point which is denoted by 4, 0, 4, 0 in the coordinate. Now this is called the coordinate, and in coordinate always the first value represents the x-axis and the second value represents the y-axis. So this coordinate is nothing but 4, 0, which is 4 is on the x-axis and 0 is on the y-axis. When we say -1, 3, x-axis -1, -1 is here and y-axis is 3. -1, 3, this is the point where x-axis is -1 and y-axis is 3. Now the distance from y-axis is called abscissa and this distance from x-axis is called ordinate. Now what is this distance from y-axis and distance from x-axis? Distance from y-axis, now the value 4, 0 is at a distance of 4 units from y-axis. So this value is called abscissa. Now this value where 3 -1, 3. Now this value is at a distance of -1 from x-axis. Now this value is called ordinate. Now ordinate always represents y value and abscissa always represents the x value. Now when you say A, B, A is always abscissa, A is called abscissa and B is called ordinate. Abscissa always represents the value on the x-axis and the ordinate always represents the value on the y-axis. Now the most important formula for solving exercise 7.1 is the distance formula. Now to find a distance you need 2 points. Now if you take a line with coordinates A, B are 2 points. Now this is x1, y1 and B point is x2, y2. Now to find the distance between these 2 points, distance between AB can be written as root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula which we are going to use throughout the coordinate geometry chapter. We are going to use specifically for exercise 7.1, but throughout all the 3 exercises, that is 7.1, 2 and 3, we are going to use this formula by default. For finding distance we are going to use this formula. If possible, write this formula at least 50 times so that this formula is printed in your brain. So don't mug up, write it down. Okay, x2 minus x1, distance between 2 points A and B is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I say A value is 3, 4 and B value is -2, or +2, 1, you are going to just substitute x2 value is 2 minus x1 value is 3 whole square plus y2 value is 1 minus y1 value is 4. Here you will get minus 1 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. So this will be root 10 units. So distance between A and B for the given points 3, 4 and 2, 1 is root 10 units. Very simple formula. You just need to find the distance, and if you want to find the distance, you have to substitute the x1 y1 x2 y2 values in the formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and get the answer. And be very careful to write the units here. If you are not going to write units after finding the distance, you are going to lose at least 1 mark in your board examinations. Okay, so this is the only formula we are going to use throughout exercise 7.1.